Hi and welcome to another video of Campus.eu. In this video we're going to talk about the 2022 Ford Nugget and the changes that they have applied to it, and the new Ford Nugget Trail, which you see behind me. So let's go. So this is the Ford Nugget Trail. It's a new model in the Nugget family. In this case here it's the Ford Nugget Plus, so the long wheelbase. It's also available in short wheelbase. It's only available with pop top, and the pop top is always in black, as you can see here. Now black is the main theme of the car. So you have this Raptor style grille in the front. Very popular also in after we sell a car, a lot of people want those. You have the black accents on the bumper and over the wheel arch, and then black wheels. 16-inch black wheels. Now let's walk to the other side. You have the side steps. They're standard with the trail stickers on the side. They're pretty big side steps. Another thing that we notice is the door handles are color coded. On a normal Nugget they're black. And in the back you have the rear bumper is black as well, with a sticker which says Trail. And then in the front bumper you have this metal look accent. Next to the black roof, the Trail also comes with this darker gray color canvas in the pop top. It's the new one that we've seen already for the last models are coming in. So it has the plastic window in the rear, which makes more sense because then you have light. If it's raining, the rain doesn't come in and you still have light. It's the larger nets are in there. We've already seen that. We've seen them coming in more and more with the larger ones here on the side as well. That's not only for the Trail, that's also for the new Nugget, the 2022 models. They have larger openings, windows in the pop top. But for the Trail, the darker color is standard. For the normal Nugget, the lighter, you will still have the lighter colors, and there are options for all the colors as well. The Nugget Trail is only available with manual gearbox, and that's because these cars come standard equipped with a differential lock on the front axle. So it's front wheel drive, it's not four wheel drive, but you have a differential lock on the front, so that will give you more grip to get to places that you normally cannot go to. I think this color is race red. Is not available in all the colors, but race red really looks good. And then you notice something else. Every Trail comes with two sliding doors instead of one. The normal Nugget has one, but also now on the driver's side you see that we have a sliding door, which gives great access if you use it as a daily car, and just gives a lot more space. And then of course we've showed the inside, so let's go there. Maybe you already noticed it, but the interior, you have a full leather interior. So leather rear bench, leather front seats. The front seats also come with seat heating as standard, somewhere here. So that's quite nice. Because there's an extra sliding door, you do not have the table that sits on the side panel. So now they've created a leg here on the floor and the tabletop that you can take off. You can take everything off and store it behind the seats. So that's unique to the Nugget Trail. Another thing that they had to change, because normally the side panel is there and you have a 220 socket and a USB port. They've moved that to the top of the kitchen, so it's now here, located here. Now that basically brings me to the changes for the 2022 models. The 2022 model will have a USB-A and a USB-C port. They're PD ports, so they're high power. So you can charge your tablet and smartphones faster, which is quite nice. There used to be just a cigarette lighter, cigarette socket there, but now they've changed it to USB. And the other side, you see there we've lost some space here because now the switches for the lights have been relocated to this part. They used to be the dimming parts used to be on this side, and the switch was on the side of the umbrella, but now they've changed it to here. And also the way they work, it's a bit different. Because normally when you use the button for the LED pack, which this car has, so you have LED lighting over there and here in the cabinets and down there at the floor. Normally when in the 2021 models, there was one switch that would just turn off all the LED light pack lights. And now they've separated it that you can, the kitchen has his own switch, which I think makes more sense, and the other one is just for here, over there. Dimming, if you have the LED light pack, you get a dimmer as well, and that just works with this switch brighter, so that's very easy. Another thing, normally the control panel for the camper part was located up there at the mirror. They've relocated it to here in the back, above the cabinet where you put your clothes. Now it's a Dometic screen. It's color now instead of the one with the knob with the monochrome color. You have every function here. So you have your water tanks, you have your battery, you have your heater, and you have fridge, of course. Now all the things are there. Easy to do. For me, I think the main good part about this is if you're sleeping and you wake up and you sleep upstairs in the pop top and it's cold in the morning, it's very easy now from your bed to turn on the heating. So I would say that's an advantage. But all in all, it has the same functions as the one from last year. What is new, the last thing that's new for the 2022 models, is that we have a new switch here. This switch, you can open the tailgate. Something we do aftermarket. We've done quite a lot just to make a switch. We always put it here aftermarket, but no, now it's standard equipment. So you just push it. Now you hear the door opening. Push the door, and there you go. So that makes a lot of sense because you couldn't do that before. So there you go, just a short video and telling you what's different for this year, this model year. Yeah, to me, they're great new additions, especially that you can open the tailgate from inside. That's amazing. You want that, and it should be standard. But the functionality is basically the same. The switches are relocated, but it's not a big change. It's just small stuff. What I like though is the Trail version. The Trail just gives this more rugged look, which I really like, and it makes the car give it this Raptor look a bit, which is nice, and it suits the Nugget, the lifestyle. A lot of people just want to travel and live outside, so I think that's a good thing. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.